3CX WebMeeting. 3CX WebMeeting is a web conferencing and collaboration solution. It transforms your communication, collaboration and productivity, whilst also reducing travel costs. This integrated video conferencing solution is an app-free collaboration tool with no extra downloads or sign-ups required. Simply join via your browser. With the 3CX WebMeeting, you can share ideas or send PDF files to meeting participants using the text chat and file transfer, making your meetings more productive. Share your screen to the called participants using the Start Screen Sharing tab. This is an ideal feature for pitching new ideas, training customers and staff, and boosting your customer service. Use the whiteboard feature, which is useful for demonstrations, making information easier to understand. Start a poll to boost productivity and gather opinions and feedback swiftly. Participants can also offer feedback with reactions by selecting the hand icon.